The error code E15 in a dishwasher signifies a malfunction in the filling system or water intake, and can be caused by issues such as air in the system, water inflow problems, excessive foam or suds, or leaks and seal issues. To fix the issue, it is necessary to verify the water supply by shutting off the water supply tap and examining the water inflow components, including the corner valve flow through and inlet hose, for any potential kinks or blockages. Once any issues with the water inflow components are resolved, the dishwasher can be restarted. It is also essential to evaluate detergent usage, as excessive detergent can cause excessive foaming. This can be addressed by initiating a rinse cycle without loading any dishes to eliminate excess detergent, and using an appropriate dishwasher detergent in the recommended quantity for subsequent wash cycles. Additionally, the dishwasher should be inspected for any visible leaks or water accumulation at its base, and the door seal and other seals should be checked for signs of damage or wear. If a damaged seal is found, it should be replaced promptly to prevent water from infiltrating into the dishwasher's base. By following these steps, the E15 error code can be resolved, and the dishwasher can be restored to proper function.